when I'm with you. Nobody do body like you do. I can't do when I'm with you. Okay. Alright. Alright, Jared, I'll see you. I'm about to be off here in like 10 minutes because I'm about to eat these sandwiches. Yeah, appreciate it, Jared. I'm about to eat these sandwiches and then just hang out and vibe out. So let's go ahead and eat. I earned my meal today. I feel like the day ones is still in this live stream, just kicking it. Appreciate it, Jared. You made that happen. Like, oh yeah, 10 likes. We in there. Guys, we are finally about to eat. My goodness. I've been in this kitchen like 2 hours. Cleaning the kitchen, cleaning the dishes, just vibing with y'all, having a good time. Casson, do you want your eggs and stuff? It don't look the best, but it'll be fire. I can tell you that. Food, finally, food. We finally got some food. Ooh, I can't lose when I'm with you. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose. Huh? I'm just eating and I'm done. I'll clean the rest of this up. You got a waist trainer? Oh. They said hi. Oh, we got some organic maple syrup.